Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to start an AI business right before the biggest wave in history hits and actually catch it instead of watching it pass by like most people do? Because the truth is, the window we are entering right now is so small and so rare that most people won't even realize how big it was until it's already too late. Artificial intelligence is moving faster than any technology in the last 100 years. And by the time 2026 arrives, the tools, the companies, and even the opportunities will look completely different. But the people who position themselves today, the ones who understand how to start tiny, beginner-friendly AI companies right now, those are the ones who are going to look back a few years from now and say, that was the moment everything changed. So today I want to walk you through the 4 best AI companies you can start before 2026, even if you're a total beginner, even if you have no tech background, and even if you've never built a business in your entire life. These companies are simple to start. They scale fast, and they allow you to ride the wave instead of drowning under it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. The first AI company you can launch is what I like to call AI content automation. And this is the perfect beginner business because it lets you build a real brand without needing to sit in front of a camera or spend hundreds of hours editing. In fact, most people still have no idea just how powerful AI content tools have become. Most people think AI is just text, but right now you can create short-form videos, long-form videos, voiceovers, animations, and even full visual stories with nothing but a few sentences of input. And the crazy part is that while 90% of people use AI to make random clips for social media, the small percentage that uses it for something structured, something consistent, and something valuable, those are the people making real money. Let me explain how this works. Imagine you want to start a channel about calming visuals, or financial education, or productivity clips. Instead of filming, instead of recording your voice, instead of hiring editors, AI tools now allow you to generate entire video sequences with looping visuals, synced audio, and even mood-based voiceovers. And what makes this business so powerful is that the demand for content is not slowing down. Every day, millions of people search for videos that help them focus, relax, learn, or get inspired. That means if you're able to automate the production of simple videos, you can upload every single day with barely 20 to 30 minutes of work. And the thing people forget is that content is digital real estate. A single video can earn you money for months, sometimes years, long after you've made it. That's why AI content automation is one of the simplest yet highest upside companies you can start today. It costs almost nothing, and once one video takes off, you're in the game. But that brings us to company number 2, and this one is even more scalable. The second AI company to start before 2026 is AI-driven e-commerce. And trust me when I tell you, this is one of the most powerful concepts on the planet right now. 5 years ago, you had to hire designers, copywriters, photographers, videographers, and editors just to launch a single product. That's why so many beginners failed. But AI changed the rules. Today, you can build a brand's entire image, the photos, the marketing, the landing page, even the product descriptions, all with AI. And the best part is that AI doesn't just make stores easier to build, it makes product selection easier too. Before, beginners would waste months trying to find winning products. Now AI can evaluate trends, competition, demand levels, pricing strategies, and even profitability before you spend $1. It takes the guesswork out of e-commerce. To show you how powerful this is, imagine you find a product trending during a certain season. You can plug it into an AI tool that checks customer reviews, competitor ads, industry data, and similar items across marketplaces. In seconds, you get a full breakdown telling you if the product has potential, if the demand is rising or falling, how competitive the niche is, and what target audience you should sell to. Then, once you decide to move forward, AI lets you generate professional-looking product images, even if you don't have the item in your hands. You can create lifestyle photos, testimonial graphics, eye-catching thumbnails, and add creatives instantly. You can write sales copy that sounds natural, emotional, and persuasive. You can make video ads without filming. You can even automate customer service. And the craziest part is that the entire store can be built in a couple of hours instead of a couple of weeks. That is why AI-driven e-commerce is exploding. It's low barrier, high reward, And once you get a product that works, you can scale it to thousands a day. But maybe you're someone who doesn't want to deal with products at all. Maybe you want something even simpler, something where you can earn commissions without buying inventory or running a store. That brings us to the third AI company to start before 2026, and a lot of people still don't understand how big this is. This third business is AI-powered affiliate media, and the opportunity here is wild because it combines the ease of affiliate marketing with the power of AI-generated content. Normally, affiliate marketing is tough because everyone posts the same kind of content. But now AI tools allow you to create realistic spokespeople, virtual explainers, and story-based videos that look so real most people couldn't tell they were fake, even if you pointed it out. These AI characters can read scripts, hold products, demonstrate solutions, and tell stories that turn views into sales. The results can be insane because all it takes is one video to go viral, and suddenly you're earning thousands of dollars from commissions without ever touching the product yourself. And the best part is that even if one video fails, you can generate another one instantly. You're not relying on your own face, your own voice, your own filming skills, or your own environment. AI media lets you test dozens of ideas, dozens of characters, and dozens of hooks with almost no effort. Now, the only challenge with affiliate marketing is that you're building on platforms you don't own. Your accounts can get restricted or flagged, and the volatility makes it less predictable. But for beginners who want money fast, who want a simple business with low cost and high learning speed, AI-powered affiliate media is one of the easiest ways to get started. You don't need experience. You don't need to be charismatic. You don't need equipment. All you really need is consistency, creativity, and the willingness to post often until one of your videos hits. And once it does, commissions can stack fast. But the fourth company you can start before 2026 is probably the one that shocks people the most, because it sounds almost too simple to be real. Yet it works, and it works extremely well when done right. This fourth company is called AI Publishing, and it's all about using AI to create written or visual digital products that you can sell repeatedly without needing inventory, shipping, or any physical materials. The reason this is powerful is because AI now lets beginners create things that used to require teams of writers, illustrators, designers, and editors. I'm talking about ebooks, children's stories, guides, templates, workbooks, and even printable content. What used to take weeks now takes minutes, and what used to cost thousands now costs almost nothing. Imagine creating a custom children's story for parents who want a unique gift for their child. AI can turn a simple photo into a cartoon character and build an entire story around it. You can then package the book digitally, list it on a marketplace, and sell it as many times as you want. Or imagine creating motivational journals, habit trackers, meal planning guides, or educational printables. People buy these every single day, and AI allows you to produce them at a level that looks professional, even if you've never designed anything before. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's fast. The only limitation is the fact that the profit per sale is smaller compared to e-commerce or affiliate media. But as a beginner business, it's one of the easiest starting points in the entire AI economy. Now here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. The people who succeed in AI over the next 2 years won't be the ones who know everything. They won't be the tech experts or the programmers or the people with huge budgets. They'll be the ones who start right now, while the tools are still new, while the competition is still small, and while the possibilities are still expanding every single month. If you wait until 2026, you'll be too late. The systems will be more crowded, the platforms will be more regulated, the tools will be more expensive, and the people who acted early will already be miles ahead. That's why starting one of these 4 AI companies now gives you a massive advantage. If I had to rank them, I would say AI-driven e-commerce has the highest long-term potential, because once it works, it scales endlessly. AI content automation is the easiest to start and is perfect for beginners who want passive results. AI-powered affiliate media is the fastest way to make quick money, and AI publishing is the simplest, most beginner-friendly entry point with almost no cost. But the best choice depends on who you are and what your goals are. All 4 work, all 4 are beginner-friendly, and all 4 are positioned to explode before 2026. You just have to pick one and take action. So now the real question is simple. Will you let this AI wave pass you by? Or will you jump in and build something that could change your life forever? The opportunity is right in front of you. You just have to start.